Okay, I'm making this video to cover what I did in the last video a little bit, because the wife, although she did a good job with the videoing, didn't pay attention to the audio microphone, and it went out, and there was the audio was so low you just could not hear it. So I'm going to show you what happened, what went wrong with the boards where I had to reverse them. Okay, so it was my fault. On the plans it shows the safety plate on the left side, and when I turned around I put it on the right side which put these two screw holes here, if you can see that. There's two screw holes facing the inside on the back side. So that was the first mistake I did. And then the second mistake is here, where when I was putting on the two back pieces for E7 and then I went back to reference it, I seen only two holes at the top instead of actually seeing the three holes here. Okay, so the back two do have three holes at the top, and if you look here you'll see that the two screw holes are facing inward on each side. Them holes were for the mounting bracket here. Excuse me, them two holes were for the, I got a really bad glare on my screen. The two holes were for these two lag bolts here, or lag screws I should say, here and over there in the corner, here and over in the corner. And then we had the barrel and nuts here, and I was telling you in there, make sure you put the washer on the back side so that it locks into the wood, and there's no need for a washer on the front side because it's metal on metal anyway. Okay, so that basically covers that. That's why I switched these out to the opposite sides, and the back had to be switched out too. Now you did see I showed you where we cracked this board here, and what I was trying to explain to you regarding these boards is that these screws need to be centered into this board before you start it in. Alright, and the reason the board cracked on that side was because there was a knot hole right at the very end, and it hit the knot and split the wood, so had to correct that. So center up these screws. They did not put pre-drill holes, so center up the screws directly in line with the board. Make sure you get it nice and clean and straight and flush with the top, and you're golden. Okay, if it's dropped down a little bit, it's not going to hurt all that much, but you don't want it going over or up, because then you'll wind up with gaps. Next video we'll put the deck on. Stay safe, happy gaming everybody, and if you would like, please stop by the htcgamersclub.com website and look at what I have to offer. I give away a lot of game systems, PCs, laptops, stuff like that as available. I have a couple of giveaways listed now. If you want extra entries in them, or entries in donators only giveaways, for every $1 you donate I give you 4 free entry codes. The money goes 100% toward getting kids free game systems, buying parts to repair game systems to give away, and or make a kid's repair absolutely free. Stay safe, happy gaming everybody. Bye.